how to find notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this icon here, this one, and now just click on it, and here you can find Deezer notifications, and that's it. That's how to find it. And as you see, that's how to find Deezer notifications. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.